Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the ancient stones in Fish It Roblox. So if you're tired of losing a secret or legendary fish, it's time to upgrade your road by using the ancient stones. So the ancient stones are the most important items in Fish It, and it can be used to add luck, strength, or speed to your favorite arts. And I'm going to show you how you can get them. So there are a few locations in Fish It that you can, when you fish, you can get this epic tire ancient stone. Some of them are, of course, the ocean in here. And let's see the other location. You can also found it on the Fisherman Island, on the Kanna Island, and also the coral reefs, esoteric depths. So there are lots of them. Tropical groove. This one is done. Okay, let's see the ancient jungle. Okay, it is done. So there are lots of places that you can get the ancient stone. You can use them to max your road. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks.